Hello guys, welcome to another Inktober video. As you know, and if you saw in my previous video, I added a new daisy challenge to my channel. Challenge is by James Burke, and you can check his Instagram profile to see the challenge and join if you think you would like to join Daisy in her adventures. So what's the Daisy? Daisy is the character that James Burke designed as Inktober challenge. She is a little girl, or doesn't have to be little girl. For me it is little girl. He gives you chance to add her as a character of any race, any age, any kind of a look. So what you want to do is just make her in your own style and adjust it to the prompts list. And prompts list are actually tales that she tells about herself and what happens to her. So the first one was about spots, mushrooms, and dots, and the second one is about Leaf, who looked at Daisy very weird. So yeah, I think that I will just sketch out this very quickly and then get back to you so we can discuss what are we gonna do later. So again, if you wanna join, go to James Burke channel or Instagram. You can just type, I think, James Burke Creative, and you will find all his videos, prompts, and you can also do a whimsy win. All of those are kind of Inktober, so whichever you want you can combine. I tend to combine everything. I tag Inktober, whimsy win, I will tag Daisy, I will tag Drawloween, and all other kinds of prompt lists that are so great for this cold October here in Serbia. So yeah, I will see you soon. Let's get going to a time lapse. So this is the first sketch that I did, and I'm okay with it. I'm happy with the way that Leaf turned out, but I'm not sure that I quite like Daisy, and I'm gonna be adding her freckles and glasses later. I just wanted to see how I want to make her look. So yeah, I need to add some details and outline everything and go to coloring. As the previous one, it will have a black watercolor and this pen, which is Junior. It's already destroyed, so I can't really see what it says, but it's a drawing pen, 0.4 millimeters. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that one. It's not even important because in USA you have much better pens than this one here. So yeah, I know that you use much better ones, but I have some pretty cool brushes that my ex-boyfriend gave me from, I'm not sure where he got those, but those are the Da Vinci ones for aquarelle, and I have those for years. They have lasted for me a very long time, and I really love them. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do once they're not working anymore, because you can't buy them here in Serbia. So yeah, let's get going to a time lapse and coloring this little cute Daisy. So that would be all for this prompt. I'm not quite happy as I was with the first one, but anyway, I will pause this video because it's not that bad. I am happy with how Leaf turned out. Not the face quite much, but it's okay. And Daisy is fine. Not good as the previous one, but I like it. So yeah, this will be uploaded on 2nd day of Inktober. So I'll see you soon, guys. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in a new video. Bye.